Hey everyone, in this game we're doing a game of hide and seek. Billy is the only one with a semi-auto gun, and he's trying to hunt everyone else down with pistols. Once you're hit, you join Billy's team, and you keep hunting down everyone else.
That's a surprise tool we can use later.
If you shoot the seeker, you have 30 seconds to relocate and hide again, because he gets back in and will continue to hunt you down. There's a time limit of 20 minutes, so you need to outlast the seeker. Hey wait, this is St. Patrick's Day weekend.
I was born on a Dublin street where the loyal drums the beat, and those loving English people walked all over us. And every single night, when me dad would come home tight, he'd invite the neighbours out with his chorus. Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wife how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and lovely lanes of Killishandra. Come let us hear you tell how you slandered great Parnell when you thought him well and truly persecuted. Where are the sneers and jeers that you loudly let us hear when our leaders of 16 were executed? Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wife how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and lovely lanes of Killishandra. Come tell us how you slew them old Arabs 2 by 2. Like the Zulus, they had spears and bow and arrows. How bravely you faced one with your 16-pounder gun, and you frightened them damn natives to the marrow. Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wife how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and lovely lanes of Killishandra. Now the time is coming fast, and I think them days are here when each English Johnny and he'll run before us. And if there be a need, then our kids will say Godspeed with the verse or two of singing this fine chorus. Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wife how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and lovely lanes of Killishandra.
And they finally got me, so now I'm on their team and I have to help them hunt down the remaining players in the last couple minutes we have left.
Well, I would be a betting man. I think somebody went down that way. 5 minutes. Yeah. Because I guess we're not really supposed to split up. We're just following you. Right? Okay, I'm going down with Spike. What? Dead? What, if you get shot twice, you're dead? Okay. Okay, let's go.
Oh, I've got a brand new shiny helmet and a pair of kinky boots. I've got a lovely new flak jacket and a lovely khaki suit. And when we go on night patrol, we hold each other's hands. We are the British Army and we're here to take your land. My good friend Bertie, he's in the UDR. Searching for weapons, he will go near and far. Up around by Kappa, you'd never find him there. Oh, the only gun he'd get there is an Armalite in his ear. Oh, I've got a brand new shiny helmet and a pair of kinky boots. I've got a lovely new flak jacket and a lovely khaki suit. And when we go on night patrol, we hold each other's hands. We are the British Army and we're here to take your land. My good friend Trevor, he's in the RUC. I see. But now they've handed him his redundancy. I see. The folks along the border won't be seeing him anymore. That Provo sniper will be missing him for sure. Oh, I've got a brand new shiny helmet and a pair of kinky boots. I've got a lovely new flak jacket and a lovely khaki suit. And when we go on night patrol, we hold each other's hands. We are the British Army and we're here to take your land.